Hey, are you the Ecom wolf?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, how much is your fit?
My fit? Well, this sweaters was like 30, 40 bucks. This shirt was 80 bucks. These pants were like 120 bucks. And my Van shoes were like 40, 45 bucks.
Well, how much did you make last month?
Last month, brought in across all my businesses and investments like $250,000 profit.
All right, well, you got the nice car, but where's your ice?
Ice? Man, that's in my freezer, bro. Oh, you mean like ice, like jewelry ice? Well,
Yeah.
Listen, man, to each their own. You could spend on whatever you want in life, but let me tell you one thing, okay? You want to make sure that you have assets before you have liabilities. What does that mean? That you want to make sure you have your money growing before you buy things like, nice, super expensive cars or ice or, designer clothes or what have you, whatever floats your boat, right? Make sure that you have assets, always bringing in money before you start spending on liabilities. Don't waste your time trying to look rich, be rich.
Solid advice, Ecom wolf. Thank you.
For sure, man. Have a good day.